Angibingelele eNingizimu Afrika, angibingelele Maxabane kaMsholozi. It has been a while. Kodwa ke ngithi angiphawule la odabeni oluthinta uJulius Malema ne-nomination yakhe as chairperson we-ad hoc committee le ezobhekelela udaba lukaMkhwanazi. I said this before and I'm saying it again. uJulius Malema doesn't care ngabantu baseNingizimu Afrika. Everything is just about him. It is so amazing ukuthi after interview abanayo la asho khona ukuthi he will be very excited if he can be nominated as chairperson of the ad hoc committee le ezobhekelela udaba le insolo eziphakanyiswa uMkhwanazi. Now all of a sudden, simply because nomination iqhamuke esayidini lomkhonto wesizwe, uJulius Malema decided to decline nomination just for personal reasons. He didn't take South Africans into consideration. Akabhekanga ukuthi lokho kuyosiza kuphi kanjani. Just because nomination was from umkhonto wesizwe, he decided to decline that. Julius Malema wofethu does not care ngeNingizimu Afrika. Yena, as long as kuzo benefit yena, he'll be fine. But if it doesn't benefit him, he doesn't really care. He will go out in public and claim ukuthi he is here for South Africans. But the fact of the matter is, that man does not really care about you as an ordinary and poor South African.